Guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to be doing live swatches and a review for the Londontown Vacay Mode collection. Also, I'm really sorry about my voice in this video. I'm just getting over a cold, so my voice sounds a little strange. So the first shade is Out of Office, which is a pale baby pink cream. I applied a base coat, and now I'm doing one coat of the Out of Office. So here is one coat. As you can see, it's still a little patchy, so I'm going to do another coat on all my nails. And after two coats, the coverage was pretty good, so I'm applying a layer of top coat. Here is two coats of Out of Office with a layer of top coat. I think if you did really thin coats, you might need 3, or if you don't apply well, you might need 3, but I was able to get away with 2. But this is still a really gorgeous pale pink shade. I love colors like this. Next is Amalfi Love, which is a beautiful periwinkle blue cream. Here I'm applying one coat. And this one definitely needed 2, so here I am applying a second coat. So here is 2 coats of Amalfi Love without top coat. And just to give it a little extra shine, I'm applying a top coat here. Here is 2 coats of Amalfi Love with a layer of top coat. I think this might be my favorite color in the collection. The formula was beautiful and I love shades like this. Next is Summer Fling, which is a bright hot pink cream. Here I am applying one coat over my base coat. I think the formulation of this one was especially beautiful. It just felt really smooth and buttery and went on really nicely. So here is one coat of Summer Fling. It still has some patchiness, but you can see here it's so shiny. And here I am doing a second coat of Summer Fling. This is 2 coats without top coat, and even though it looks gorgeous on its own, I am going to apply top coat here. So here is 2 coats of Summer Fling with top coat. And the last polish in the collection is Guilty Pleasure, which is a bright poppy cream. At some points I actually felt like this polish leaned more towards a crelly formulation, but it ended up building up nicely in 2 coats anyway. So here I am applying the first coat of Guilty Pleasure. Now I'm applying a second coat. Here is 2 coats of Guilty Pleasure. Just like the last one, this one ended up really shiny on its own, but I'm still going to apply top coat. And here is 2 coats of Guilty Pleasure with top coat. If you want to read a little bit more about my review, then click here or click the link in the description to head over to my blog. You can also see more pictures over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what design you want to see next.